Welcome, nature enthusiasts. Today, we embark on an incredible journey to explore the captivating world of elephants. From their immense size to their remarkable intelligence, these majestic creatures never fail to amaze us. Get ready to uncover 10 astonishing facts about elephants. Let's begin. Fact 1. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. The African elephant, specifically, can weigh up to 12,000 pounds, 5,400 kilograms, and stand up to 13 feet, 4 meters, tall at the shoulder. Fact 2. Elephants are highly intelligent creatures. They have large brains and exhibit advanced cognitive abilities, including problem-solving, self-awareness, and empathy. Fact 3. Elephants are social animals that live in close-knit family groups called herds. These herds are led by a matriarch, usually the oldest and wisest female. Fact 4. Elephants have a remarkable memory. They can remember and recognize individuals even after long periods of separation, sometimes spanning several years. Fact 5. Elephants communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including trumpets, rumbles, and growls. They also use nonverbal cues such as body language and gestures to convey messages within their herd. acoustics. Elephants have an incredible sense of hearing. They can detect low-frequency sounds and infrasound, which is below the range of human hearing. This allows them to communicate over long distances.
Fact 7. Elephants are herbivores and have a diverse diet consisting of various plants, leaves, fruits, and bark. An adult elephant can consume over 300 pounds, 136 kilograms, of food in a single day. Fact 8. Elephants have a unique and versatile appendage called the trunk. It contains over 40,000 muscles and is used for various tasks such as breathing, smelling, drinking, grabbing objects, and even communicating. Fact 9. Elephants are excellent swimmers. They use their trunks as snorkels, allowing them to breathe while their bodies remain submerged. They can also cross rivers and deep water bodies by using their trunks as a natural snorkeling device. Fact 10. Elephants play a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem. They contribute to seed dispersal, create open clearings in forests, and help maintain the balance of vegetation by feeding on specific plants, shaping the landscape around them.